1 year ago, I left Hong Kong with no real plan, just a general direction to the west. Over 45,000 kilometers in 20 countries later, my car was on its side in the Sahara desert. And this is what happened in between. Let's go back to the beginnings. From Hong Kong, across China, into Mongolia. I had to avoid police checkpoint for 72 hours straight, until I reached Ulaanbaatar. It was a stressful time. There's something about my international driving license that they're not happy with. They were saying my license is not legal to drive in Mongolia. But Western Mongolia brought me peace. I visited some old friends, an eagle hunter family I stayed with last winter. This time, I had to move, along with all their animals, from their summer home to winter home. At the Russian border, it took us 24 hours to cross. It was the first working day after their holidays. Thousands of cars. At the end, they stamped our passport, but the car has to stay in the compound. So we start walking for hours. We found a yurt where 9 adults and 4 kids slept under one roof for the night. That's how our friendship began. Kyrgyzstan. Passed through a village with a live music show, an event raising awareness to protect the nature. And then we found a camp spot overlooking a beautiful lake. The next day, a landslide forced us on a detour. 13 hours of mountain passes, and we drive into the night. Kazakhstan. Spent almost a month there. Also did the first oil change. Met some new friends. Went to a Red Bull soapbox race. That was fun. While camping here was some of the best I've done so far. Tajikistan. The Pamir Highway. It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. Most challenging too. Especially Wakhan Valley. Sketchy water crossings, worse road conditions, and after towing a van out of the valley, my clutch failed. My roof rack broke too. Found a local welder, and somehow kept going. Saw the ladies across the river on the Afghanistan side, doing their laundries by the river, dancing to the music, which was played by the construction workers over on this side. That moment we shared was quite special. Uzbekistan. Felt like stepping back in time. I also united with the 2 overlanding families that we met at the Russian border. Traveled together for about a month, heading to the same direction, Georgia. Georgia really surprised me. I know nothing about this country. Beautiful nature, And in Tbilisi, I finally joined a yoga class after months on the road, trying to get back to the routine. Armenia holds a very special place in my heart. Beautiful landscape. It is also where I decided to quit my job to travel full time. It's like something inside me clicked here. Turkey. Watched hot air balloons rise in Cappadocia during sunrise, then drove one of the most dangerous roads in the country with my friends from Kazakhstan. We had quite an adventure here. Then I head down south, explore ancient ruins along the southern coast. Bulgaria. It was cold. I visited abandoned Soviet architecture. It looks like a bloody spaceship. Wild. Greece. Some amazing wild camping spot. I also visit some of the most impressive ancient ruins I ever seen. Took my first pottery class and get on a ferry to Italy. Italy. Spent some time in southern Italy with close friends and family. Later I met another friend who met on social media. We camped in the Dolomites at minus 18 degrees. Then I went to Venice. Never thought I would come here by myself, but here I am. It doesn't disappoint. It was lovely, especially at night time. Then I went to Milan Fashion Week. Shot street fashion for 2 days straight. What an experience. France. Drove along the coast, Monaco, Nice, Cannes, Marseille. Like driving through a dream. Spain, especially Barcelona. There is some amazing food here. I ate out quite a bit. And the yoga community is amazing here also. I got a bit emotional here. I miss my dog a lot here. It hit me out of nowhere while I was driving. He passed just a month before I started the trip. Granada. The gardens feel like paradise. I feel if there's a paradise, this will be it. After crossing to Morocco, I didn't stay in the city for long and start heading south. I learned pottery the old way. Met some new friends. Got a new tattoo also. Spent almost 3 months here. "365 days on the road. Flipped my car. Was lucky to walk away. We built my home on wheels. Some days I was lost. Others I felt more alive than ever. And honestly, I don't feel like stopping. Not yet. The search continues." It's been maybe 2 hours now. I think I calmed down a little bit.
Okay, stop it. Good balance. Stop it.